Today in this video I will show you how you can input your smartboard serial number. So this smartboard get damaged and Samsung just replaced their this new motherboard. So it's come only blank, so there is no serial number inside. I can show you. Open the setting and in about attractive display you can see clearly this serial number showing unknown. So for this you have to enter the serial number from factory menu. To access factory menu you need a remote control. In remote you have to press menu 1147. So the menu will appear here. I can show you how menu look like. So I have executed the command from my remote. You can see this factory menu came here. So from here you can see this system setting. From system setting you can see the serial number input. Here we can input serial number for new motherboard only. Once this serial number is written, then you cannot change it. Select in input and see you cannot add it after input. Okay, so you have to enter your serial number and confirm, then second time enter the same serial number and confirm. Usually the serial number is mentioned here on the back. Okay, so you can copy your serial number from back and input the same serial number here.